Hi! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to begin by accessing Tab menu. Then look for location icon. When you find it, click on it and tap on close in this pop-up. When I go back, as you can see, location of my smartphone is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location section. Then manage location of this device by tapping on this switcher next to access my location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!